Orca motors can be used with a variety of software and programming languages. In this video, we will be covering how to get started using an Orca motor with Python. Start by going to the Python package index at pypi.org. Type in pyorcasdk. This will take you to a page for Python bindings for the C++ Orca SDK library. On this page, you will find introductory information such as system prerequisites and documentation. Also on this page is the command for installing the package and getting started with your Orca. Farther down on this page, you will find a link to our tutorial repo on GitHub, a subfolder of our Orca SDK. The tutorials repo contains detailed files on most operations that a user will need to get started with an Orca motor. Tutorials on subjects from triggering kinematic motions, force control, and auto-zeroing can all be found here for use with both C++ and Python. For more information on getting started with an Orca motor, visit the support page of our website, irisdynamics.com.